your color. Mom! I feel worse.
Oh dear, you don't look well. These candies will make you feel better.
Viv, you're feeling awful because you have already eaten too much candies. When you eat too much fast food, your body can get upset. You might get a tummy ache. Uh-oh, you'll start burping, farting, and feeling super uncomfortable.